Hello Marvel fans! Today's video is about the Inhuman Silent King, Black Bolt. Black Bolt made his MCU debut in Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness. Well, it's not what comic fans expect from the most powerful Inhuman, which Scarlet Witch defeated him, or should we say, murdered him in a whim. Many comic fans are disappointed to see how Black Bolt ended up with his brains scattered all over. But did you know, Marvel fans, that he had his debut in 2017 in Marvel's TV series Inhumans? Alright, so I will speak no more. Wait, no, that's not what I meant. And let's talk about the Inhumans King Black Bolt. But before we continue, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to remind you of my videos. And now, Marvel fans, let's shout and let it all out. No, no, no. Let's do this again. Let's rock! Number 1, he gained his powers in the womb. Typically, Inhumans chosen to receive powers get them from the mist of Terrigen crystals. The right comes after an extensive screening process, which includes genetic testing to avoid unstable or chaotic mutations. Black Bolt didn't go through that sort of audition, however. His parents, leading genetic scientists, gave him his powers before he was born, and in doing so, they created one of the most powerful Inhumans ever. Well, Marvel fans, it's more like a curse. For not being able to speak in exchange for that power is certainly not worth it. His parents deliberately made a super strong Inhuman by implanting it in the embryo of Black Bolt. Now that's what I call bad parenting. Number 2, his greatest enemy is his brother. This sounds like Thor and Loki relationship. Oh well. One major aspect of Black Bolt's story that was heavily explored on the TV series was the character's relationship with his brother, Maximus, who was also exposed to the Terrigen Mist when he was still an embryo. This affected his brain in extraordinary ways, granting him enhanced cognitive abilities like telepathy and clairvoyance, but also in damaging ways. Maximus is prone to irrational thought that has often had diminishing effects on his already unpredictable behavior and even on his own nefarious schemes. One of which is an unsuccessful attempt to trigger his brother's sonic scream right after he was released from his soundproof chamber to prove he was still a threat to Attilan. Black Bolt would later have to defend Attilan from Maximus, who was in cahoots with the Kree. A battle that ended in tragedy, when a Kree ship destroyed by the sonic scream crashed into a building causing the deaths of many of his people. Well, really sounds like Loki and Thor, right? Number 3, dysfunctional royal family. Okay, Marvel fans, no matter if you're a blue-collar, working-class family, or a genetically injured race of superhuman beings, families are complicated. And it is true with the Inhumans. Topping everything off, in his tense relationship with his younger brother Maximus, well, Maximus is a schemer, sometimes a friend, but more often a foe of the Inhuman royal family. He is forever plotting to ruin his older brother. Maximus' first appearance featured a plot to trick his own brother in creating sonic distraction to prove that Black Bolt is not fit to lead. Despite this ill will towards the royal family, Maximus still remains an integral part of it. As if a homicidal, treacherous brother wasn't enough, Black Bolt has also had issues with other members of the family, including his own wife Medusa. Black Bolt and Medusa have had a troubled history of breakups and makeups, with Medusa even assuming leadership of the Inhumans for a long time. Upon conceiving a child with Black Bolt, the Inhuman Society deemed the pregnancy a risk due to Black Bolt's destructive power and shared DNA with Maximus. However, Medusa defied Black Bolt's wishes and fled to Earth to give birth to her child. Number 4, Black Bolt married his own cousin. The strongest Inhumans also have a romantic story, and that woman is Medusa. Medusa is also an Inhuman who turns out to have a blood relationship with Black Bolt. Even though they are cousins, that is not an obstacle for them to unite. The reason Black Bolt loved Medusa because it was Medusa who could understand him the most. The two of them understood each other's language through telepathy. Well, Medusa understand it quite nicely. You don't have to talk to Black Bolt, right? Oh well. Number 5, he is friends with the Fantastic Four. It's only fitting that the Inhuman royal family are allies to Marvel's first family. You know what it means? The Fantastic Four. Through team-ups and romances, the two families seems to find themselves intertwined with each other. Their first appearance in Fantastic Four number 45, Black Bolt and the rest of the Inhumans have maintained close ties to Reed Richards and the crew. The Fantastic Four have helped the Inhumans throughout the years in many battles, including helping Black Bolt against his brother's evil schemes. Romantic ties between the families have also been part of their respective histories. Black Bolt had to intercede in the budding romance between Inhumans Crystal and Johnny Storm. Throughout the decades, the Inhumans have crossed paths with the Fantastic Four more than any other Marvel heroes. Alright, Marvel fans, does does this mean Black Bolt is a fantastic ally of the Fantastic Four? Alright, get it? Alright. Number 6, his costume can suppress his powers. The slightest sound could make him emit a sound with dangerous damage, so it's no wonder he's been contained since childhood to control his powers. But even so, it is still not effective in controlling his voice. Therefore, Black Bolt was helped to suppress his power where he used a costume that turned out to be able to suppress it. Number 7, Black Bolt has energy manipulation abilities and other powers. Black Bolt has all the abilities that people of his own kind are naturally gifted, which includes your basic superhuman strength, speed, stamina, durability, and agility, as well as a lifespan of twice as long as the average human being. However, in addition to the Sonic Scream, Black Bolt has been gifted with an extraordinary arsenal of energy manipulation abilities that is unparalleled to his own kind. Black Bolt is telepathic and immune from telepaths, can arrange the molecular structure of all kinds of matter, and possess cosmic awareness and omnipresent consciousness that grants him important knowledge he needs to know at any given moment. He can also fly, one of the many powers he can achieve through his ability to channel particles and electrons for a variety of purposes. Yes, Marvel fans, he's not just a noisy, powerful guy. With all these powers and abilities, it means nothing to the Scarlet Witch. Number 8, the Mad King. As a friend of the Fantastic Four and the Avengers, many heroes viewed Black Bolt as one of the good guys. However, he had his fair share of questionable actions over the years. After the Skulls attack in Secret Invasions, Black Bolt decided that he had enough and wanted to take the offensive against the enemies, which include the Kree Empire. The Inhumans and Kree conflict had been waging war against each other for years since the time when Black Bolt killed his parents while trying to destroy a Kree ship. Now, with newfound purpose, Black Bolt declares war on the Kree and defeats Ronan the Accuser, installing himself as ruler of the Kree Empire. As if this wasn't enough, the new ruler decided to take the fight to the Shi'ar Empire as well. Fighting with Vulcan, Black Bolt's war on other alien empires is stopped when a bomb is detonated and he is presumed dead. Well, I guess with Black Bolt being king, there are no peace talks, right? Oh, come on. Number 9, he almost beat the Hulk. The Hulk is regarded by many as the strongest one there is. But what happens when he fights someone with a voice that can destroy planets? Okay, don't get excited. Let's just say Black Bolt did not win, but Black Bolt gave him a run for his money. There have been a couple of occasions where Black Bolt has used his voice against the Hulk, but each time, the Hulk keeps going. In Incredible Hulk Annual Number 1, after an unfortunate misunderstanding, the Hulk went on a rampage at the Inhuman's home. In an attempt to stop him, Black Bolt used his Master Blow, which staggered the Hulk and followed that up by stunning him with a whisper. Short of knocking him out, Black Bolt was able to stop the Hulk from causing more destruction. In another encounter, the Skull impostor Black Bolt was able to use his voice to knock down the Hulk. However, it was not enough to stop the Hulk, and got back up and beat Black Bolt pretty heavily. Well, don't mess with the Hulk, puny inhuman. And number 10, Part Kree. Despite hailing from Earth, the Inhuman people are not completely human. The Inhumans were created when the alien race known as the Kree came to Earth and began to experimenting on humans. They created a genetically modified race of individuals to help them fight their enemies. The Skrulls, while successful in creating an elite group of advanced humans, the experiments were eventually abandoned when the Kree found a prophecy that there would be a genetic anomaly that would lead to the destruction of their God King Supremor and their society as a whole. Many believe this anomaly to be Black Bolt. And so there you have it, Marvel fans. 10 facts about the Inhuman King, Black Bolt. Which leaves me to the question, do we want to see another Black Bolt in MCU? Well, maybe in another universe, perhaps. So Black Bolt fans must voice out this one to the MCU. Okay, that's a na. So this is it, Marvel fans. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon. And I'll see you again, Marvel fans. Bye-bye.